Hello and welcome to today's Market Week report for the market close ending as of May 14th, 2021. Tech shares fell last Monday as inflation worries drove stocks lower and commodity prices higher. Stocks slid for a second consecutive day on Tuesday, pulled by falling on energy, financial, and industrial shares. Equity sank again on Wednesday as higher than expected consumer price index numbers for April again raised concerns for mounting inflationary pressure. Stocks finally saw a rebound on Thursday, ending that three-day decline, and that rebound continued into Friday on a surge in energy and information technology shares. The stock market indexes for the week finished this way. The Dow Jones was down 1.14%, the NASDAQ was down 2.34%, the S&P 500 was down 1.39%, and the Russell 2000 was down 2.07%. The national average retail price for regular gasoline stood at $2.96 a gallon on May 10th. That is $1.11 higher from a year ago. Let's talk last week's economic news. The latest consumer price index report for April wouldn't help to quiet fears about rising inflation. The CPI rose 0.8% in April, following the 0.6% rise in March. Over the last 12 months, the index has increased 4.2%. This is the largest 12-month increase since the 4.9% increase for the period ending September of 2008. Producer prices continued to climb, climbing 0.6% in April, advancing for the fifth consecutive month. Producer prices have increased 6.2% for the 12 months ending in April. This is the largest advance since November of 2010. Sales at the retail level are virtually unchanged in April from the previous month. However, retail sales are up a robust 51% over the previous 12 months. The federal budget deficit was $225.6 billion in April, well below March's deficit of $659 billion. Through the first 7 months of the fiscal year, the government deficit now sits at $1.931 trillion, which is 30% higher than the budget deficit was over the same period last year. U.S. import prices have advanced 0.7% in April, following an increase of 1.4% in March, revealing the largest number of prices increasing 10.6% from April of last year to April of this year. The latest job openings report and labor turnover report revealed March the largest number of job openings at 8.1 million in the history of the survey, which began in December of 2000. The number of hires rose by 3.7% to 6 million. And for the week ending May 8th, there were 473,000 new claims for unemployment insurance, a decrease of 34,000 from the previous week, which was revised up by 9,000. This is the lowest level of initial claims since March 14th of 2020. And taking a look at the eye on the week next week, housing data for April is available this week. Building permits and housing starts shot higher in March. However, the April figures may not be quite as robust. April's figures for sales of existing homes are also out this week. Existing home sales dipped in March for the second consecutive month. Relatively low inventory coupled with an uptick in new home construction may be the primary reasons for the lag in sales of existing homes. And that is this week's market report. Please keep in mind, we at the Retirement Group are an independent financial planning organization. We're here to help. We appreciate your time. Thank you and have a great day.